Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use and redeem PayPal gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to understand this tutorial properly. So first of all, you just have to open any web browser and go to the search box at the top and type in paypal.com and search. Make sure you're logged into your account. Go and click on the login button at the top right and enter your login credentials in order to log into your PayPal account. Once you enter your credentials, click login and you will be logged into your account in no time. Now go to PayPal wallet, tap at the top of the screen and click it on. Link a debit or credit card by clicking on this link right here that says link a card. On the next page, you need to enter your credit card number in the first text field. Once you type in credit card number, your card type will be automatically selected. Type in the expiration date for your card and then type in your security code on the next and you will be able to link your payment information on PayPal. On the next page, you will need to enter your gift card information and that way you will be able to use and redeem PayPal gift card quick and easy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was really helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.